There it is. Nice. Munched it. How's it going today, everyone? Creek Crawler here. We're back on the river. Me and Sean are going to do a float on the Great Miami and go after some smallmouth bass again. Our last float, the previous video before this, we absolutely crushed it. So hopefully we're floating a entirely different stretch, different habitat, different structure. So hopefully we can kind of duplicate what we did last time. I'm going to stick with my 1-2 combo again, the trace and the hellgrammite. I brought a buzz bait and I also brought a spinner bait as well, just to mix it up just a little bit. But yeah, we're going to do a float here. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's completely different weather conditions. Last time it was cloudy. We had some weather moving in. The bite was really hot. And today's going to be kind of completely the opposite. So it could prove to be difficult, but it could also be another good day. So stay tuned for the action. Let's see if we can't catch some bass today, guys. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're going to go over 2 routes we got going. Pretty much the same setups, honestly. 7.3 medium heavy fast actions. Got 8-to-1 to 2 elites, both of them with 14-pound fluorocarbon. We got the 4K shad trace, 5-inch slow sink. And then we got the 4 1/4-inch Nico hellgrammite and obsidian. That's my 1-2 punch here on the river in the summertime. We got a reaction bait, and we got something that gets down deep, covers the water down below where they're hiding, possibly up deep eddies, vegetation, wood, things of that nature. So hopefully we can get into some fish today on these 2 presentations. There we go. Nice. The little guy there to kick off the morning on the trace. There we go, guys. A little 12.5-incher to kick us off. A little chunky feller. Oh goodness, we're about to get into some juice. Yeah, this water is kind of dirty. I'm surprised. There it is. Nice. Now we gotta get somewhere safe while we're about to hit these rapids. Just crush the trace. Nice 15.5-incher right there on the trace in the fast current. There we go. Feisty dude, come on, buddy. Nice. They're hitting it good today. Really good. I think this dirty water's got them committing a little better, but it's a nice little keeper, a little 12.5-incher. Here, buddy. There we go. Ah! Nice. That's a good one. There we go, guys. Heck yeah, right there on the big helgie. 4 1/4 drifting along the grass here. The water's pretty stained today. I didn't think it was that stained, but I couldn't really see it good this morning, so we'll take that all day long. It's probably 16 1/4. Here you go, buddy. There we go. Nice little chunk. Little 12 3/4, 13 and a half, maybe. Nah, it's a little 13. Nice. There we go. Nice. That's a little chunk. Sometimes they'll just sit there and eat it, dude, and you don't even know you got one until it's like almost too late. Well, look at that little chunk. Beautiful colors. Here you go, buddy. Oh God. Yes! Yeah. Yes, dude. Heck yeah. Check that out, y'all. That's a beast. Right there on the huggy again. Crushing it. Alrighty, y'all, we got a freaking unit. Scared the crap out of me. 18 3/4 incher. Right there on the obsidian hellgrammite. That's a beast. Almost 19 inches. Scared the crap out of me right next to the boat. Look at the colors on him. Beautiful. Ready to go, buddy? There you go. Let's go. Heck yeah, y'all. We just got a freaking giant. Right on the 4 1/4 inch hellgrammite. And I got it paired up with this wobble head. This VMC wobble head. EWG style hook, man. And this working wonders here on the river. I really like this. I'm gonna have to get more of these. I only have one, so hopefully we don't lose it. But we already got our money's worth catching that big one off of it. Check that out, y'all. Another nice hellgrammite fish. There you go, buddy. Nice little chunk.
About a 16 and a half.
Hey, that's good.
Wide, and it smoked it, dude.
Nice. Heck yeah, dude. Dang. Yeah. Nice fish, man.
Oh, there's a soft shot. I just cast it right over it.
Oh, you're getting munched. Biggin'.
There it is.
Stop it, dude. There's a nice one. So we're on the soft shell pattern, dude.
Look at that, dude.
Me and Sean have discovered if you find a soft shell turtle, cast at it and catch a fish, because we've caught 3 smallies on soft shell turtles, which would make sense because they'll follow them around and the soft shell stir the bottom up. So crayfish and darters and all kinds of bait fish.
Right there, did you see him?
Oh goodness. Okay. Here we go. Oh my God. I just lost a freaking giant. That's not him. It's a fish though. Dang, y'all, that was crazy. I was at 18 plus. Dang it.
Been a better one, just follow it.
No way.
Yeah. Right here. A bigger one than this. Now I'm
Got him. Pactivity. Hey, that's not a bad one. That'd be a good MLF one. Check that out, y'all. Nice. Oh, shoot. Oh, we got a big one trying to eat the hellgrammite out of its mouth. Oh gosh. Here we go, guys. Be a good fish to end the trip on today. Nice, healthy 14.5 incher. You're probably 14, 13 3/4. Here you go, buddy. It's been a heck of a day today. All right, everyone, that's gonna wrap up the trip here on the river. Had an absolutely fantastic time. We didn't catch as many big fish as we did on our last float. I don't know if it was the weather conditions today, the muddier water, but we both ended up catching fish over 18 inches. I had an 18 3/4, and I believe Sean's biggest was 18 1/4. I caught mine on the big hellgrammite, and I believe he caught his on a little Ned rig. But it was a fun time. We literally caught fish during the whole float. Any spot that looked pretty juicy had a couple fish in it, and we had an awesome time. Going to pack up, roll out, go get some sleep, go get something to eat. I'm hungry. I want to get a burger or something. You know, the Nico hellgrammite and the trace locked in my hand pretty much all day, did the trick. And that's usually what, if I'm in the river looking for smallmouth, I'm probably going to have those two presentations. They're always working no matter what time of year it seems. But yeah, if you'd like to grab some Waterlands, use code Crawler15 on the Waterland website. Remember to go to vanceoutdoors.com, use code Crawler15. I'll link everything down below, and you can save 15% off on all your fishing gear that isn't already clearanced at vanceoutdoors.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys out in the water. Let's go.